It's very sad to hear about deforestation these days, which is growing day by day. In spite of growing trees, deforestation is growing on. Unfortunately, this is very alarming situation for us and for our coming generations. We have recently seen Amazon forest incidents in 2019, this year only. Massive fire took place. Almost 10,000 square kilometer area was destroyed due to this. So we have to rethink about this. We have to plant trees. We have to create jungles for our coming generations. What What is forest? Oh, generally, we have a perception that forest is some isolated place where there are a lot of trees, jungles, and there is no human intervention. It is not like that. Forest could be anywhere. A bunch of trees create forest. A bunch means 50 square meter also can cover can also be a forest. In a better way, we can grow more and more forest in small areas near your resort, in your farmhouse, in your backyard, near your factory, in your factory. So the idea is to create forest and plant more and more trees. So the major motivational factor for me to bend towards this environment and growing more and more trees is my father, Dalpat Surana. He is social activist and environmentalist. He would have planted more than 50,000 trees in past 10 years in loving memory of my grandparents, and he is continuously doing it now also. I am a member of Round Table India, Go Green convener of my chapter, my Udaipur chapter UURT 234. So as a Go Green convener, I wanted to make a difference and create something new, and I hope this will work. So the concept behind planting more and more trees, more and more jungles is just to give something back to the nature. This is the right time when we get aware and plant more and more trees. We are buying water bottles now. Everybody is buying water bottles now. The fine day will come, our children have to buy cylinders, oxygen cylinders, and tug it on their belts. So just for your knowledge, one neem tree in its lifetime provides almost oxygen of 18 lakh Indian rupees. Jungles are generally seen in native species only, and it is also called as Gharilu Prajatiya. Native species is required just because the sustainability of the plants and trees is for the longer time, because the soil system, the ecological system supports native species only. On behalf of Udaipur United Roundtable India 234, I would like to invite you all at Mavli, Udaipur on 6th of October 2019. We will be planting more than 10,000 trees and create a jungle there. We will name this jungle as Roundtable India Jungle number 1, and hopefully my fellow tablers across the country will also help me in my initiative and create more and more jungles. Thank you.